The Revit plugin, now in Revu CAD, includes the ability to create 3D PDF files. To show a little bit about how this works, let me go to the Add-ins tab within Revit, and you'll see that I have the Create PDF and the Change Settings as I had in the older version of the plugin, but now there's a third button that includes the ability to create 3D PDF. Now to get started, I want to show some of the settings that are available within the creation. I can create a 3D PDF, I can create a U3D file that can then be later inserted in a pre-existing PDF file, or I could copy the 3D information to the clipboard so that I can paste it into a PDF file within Revu. Now to show some of the options that are available, I can select the 3D PDF settings, and here I can control things such as which views to include, and to choose whether orthogonal, perspective, the different left, top, front, ISO, different views. I can choose a page size to have that 3D PDF created. So let's see, to create with the 3D PDF. So let's do, just in this case, we'll do an 8.5 by 11. You could also choose orientation and then some other information, as well as you can choose the background color, different lighting options, and different rendering modes. Okay, so that now that I have that selected, I'm basically saying let's just go create a full-size 3D PDF. Let's go create the 3D PDF. So we'll select that. We'll call it, give it a file name here, and now all of that information is being converted into PDF, and once this is converted, that PDF will open up within Revu. And so here I have the PDF file, will fit the page, so there's that 3D data stored right in the PDF. A couple things I'll point out too, in addition to the actual geometry, the model tree came through, so I can see all the different elements. I can turn those selectively on or off. So we'll just, just to show that I can select the different elements. Also, if I look in the Properties panel and I start to pick elements, you see that BIM data came through. So that information about the material and other elements, as I selectively choose these different materials here, or these different components in the 3D model, they'll update and display here. So not just the geometry, but as well as the properties, as well as that model tree, all translated through when I made the PDF. Okay, now I wanted to show another thing about this. Let's go open up this same model, but what I did was I turned on some cutting planes so that I basically sized down the geometry that's in this model, because what's great about this is our add-in will listen to that. So I have just that portion of the model here. So now I'm going to use another technique. Instead of creating a full 3D PDF, let's just copy to clipboard that data. So once I select that, the information is now stored in memory in the clipboard, so that when I go into Revu, what I could do is I could go create a new page here. Let's just go give it a light blue grid paper look. So now I have that page. Now let me go Control V, paste this in. I have some options for the background color to choose. Let's go give it kind of a bluish background. Different rendering modes. Well, heck, let's just do a shaded illustration here. And so now, let me go into the editor here. I chose the 3D editor here under my edit menu, and I can resize this. And we'll get out of edit mode. So now I can be looking at that model. And of course, at any point, I can change the render mode. I can do solid outline. Let's go choose. Go back to that shaded illustration. And just like before, I could go in, turn off, see the model tree, work with it, just like I was doing before. So you have a lot of flexibility as to the things you can do within the model, of course, once you get it into Revu, and being able to very easily get that data out of Revit now is a key new capability of Revu CAD, and we hope you enjoy it.